What's up, I'm Troubleshoot. In this quick guide, I'll show you how to complete the quest, craft new boots in Windrose. It's super simple. If you come across to your workbench you placed down earlier, you won't find it in here. In fact, there are different kinds of crafting tables. If we hit B to craft, right-click to change the crafting item, what we need to do is craft ourselves the armor and clothes table, and I assume there'll be more of these in the future with more things to craft in them. For this, we'll need some wood and some coarse fabric. To get coarse fabric, head across to a workbench, and you can craft one for just 3 plant fiber. We need 10 of these, so you'll need 30 plant fiber. Craft, take all, and now while we can place the armor and clothing workshop, it actually won't work as you can see a roof is required. So what we need to do is enter build mode, hit middle click to enter the delete mode, destroy our structure, getting everything back. You keep 100% of your resources, which is nice. We'll hit right click again, and we'll need to craft a roof, which, well, we can just place it on the ground. More realistically, we'll start with a floor, placing that down, then some kind of a wall. I'll go for that one. I'll place 2 high. Then under the roofs, we can grab a roof here. I'll place it on top, and just like that, under crafting and utilities, we can now place the armor workbench, bang, and we can now interact with it to craft boots, gloves, bandana pants, survivor's jacket, and more in the future. Anyways, that's it. Hopefully you found this video useful. Thank you for watching. Mine's been Troubleshoot, and I'll see you all next time. Ciao.